that's an easy book. But if you miss like 1 or 2 or 3 words, then that's a just right book.
And what's the next level?
And if you have a book that is hard and you could barely read it and it has too many hard words and big words, then it's a hard book.
Great. Audience, what do we say?
Woo!
Yay!
Traitors.
It looks like Cal gets the point. Story. What is the first thing you should do? Snail?
I think you should read the title and like check it out at the back, and then see and make a walk through the book and look at the pictures and all of that.
Oh, that's a good answer. Do a picture walk. Oh, what do you guys think?
Woo!
Yeah. We don't. I'm wondering, Cal, can you add to that and use some other phrasing?
I think what you're supposed to do is first when you start the book,
Move, rat.
you can read the title, but
I'm listening.
you can tell Sujan what do you think the book is about?
What is that called, Snail?
Making prediction.
All right. It looks like Snail and Cal both get a point. We learned at I believe it was the second workshop, not just to make predictions, but there's something very similar to predictions that you should do while you're reading to keep it interesting. What is that? What is it? Oh, Snail's ready to answer. Snail?
I think is to use read it with expression.
No, I know.
It is great to read with expression, but I'm looking for something specific. It's like reading in between the lines.
Inference.
Uh-oh.
Prediction.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Snail, tell me more.
I think it's inference
How do you make an inference?
by reading the text and making clues.
Getting clues from the text and
what you know already about the book.
what you know already about the book. Thumbs up if that's right. Making inferences using the text. Cut it out, starfish and rat.
Cut it out, starfish.
Using the text and listen up. Using the text and what you know, you can make really great inferences to keep the story interesting. Good job, Snail. Point for Snail. Parent is reading with you at home. Okay. Should they just tell you the answer to a word that you don't know?
No.
I'm waiting for the puppet people.
Come on, guys.
Should your parents just tell you the answer to a word that you don't know?
No.
Cal. No? What should they do, Cal?
They should let the kid figure the word out by themselves, and they should break the words in part and try to get the words right.
That's good. And what is and is there anything else to add to that back there? So they should break the word apart, try to figure it out. The parent should allow the student to figure it out. But what else could the parent do? All right, this is a chance for the audience. Ibrahim.
They should coach their child.
Coach, don't tell. All right, that's right. Good job, Ibrahim. Point for Ibrahim and a point for Denaya the Cav. Asking an open-ended question. Give me an example, of an open-ended question.
I think it is asking open-ended questions is like
Come on out, Giraffe. I can't see you so good. Hey, there you are.
what is the story about?
What is the story about? Not just, give me an example of not an open-ended question. Butterfly?
Wait, butterfly?
Well, she's out here. What's something that's not a good question to ask? That's not an open-ended question.
I think it is.
All right, move it, Butterfly. Giraffe?
Not an open-ended question. Do you like the story?
Oh, Giraffe. Ding, ding, ding. Give Giraffe a prize. Give him a point. Thumbs up. What he said was, what is the story about versus did you like it? Did you like it is a yes or no question. But what is the story about is an open-ended question. Good job. Giraffe, come have a seat. Give me some beginning of sentences when you're making a prediction. How should you phrase your predictions?
I think it's I may be going
I maybe thought.
or
I think.
or I must.
Not must. I thought. Maybe. I'm thinking. Give me one more. Anybody in the audience? Pamela? Probably. There's a bunch of them on the board.
I have one more.
Pamela.
I am
I am
wondering.
wondering. Good. And then what's the one like using the word? Where? How do we just use the word? Tatiana.
Maybe.
That's more of a inference. I think, but that's something that Giraffe said. What's another one?
I affirm.
No, that's inference.
I mean, my guess is.
My guess is. What about I predict? Right? I predict. All right. Giraffe gets a point. Pamela gets a point. Elena gets a point. Today we watched a video from Go Noodle. And there was a song. Can anybody from the puppet show sing a part of the song?
I can.
Oh, shh, don't say it out loud. Let's just wait. Let's give them a chance. Quiet, love.
Bear's out.
Love, give them a chance. Let's go, Grizzly Bear. Black Bear.
Come on, Adrian.
All right, in the audience.
Oh, yeah.
Let me hear it. All of you guys, let's sing the chorus together. If you remember, go. How does it go? Let me hear you. I said everybody. Go.
Don't read like a robot. Don't like a storyteller. Don't read like a robot.
Read with expression. Read with expression. Grizzly Bear or Giraffe? Answer this question. Give me an example of how you read with fluency. What does it mean? What does it mean to read with fluency?
You have to read smoothly.
Read smoothly. Anything else, Grizzly?
Don't read too loud and don't read like a robot.
Don't read like a robot. He said not too loud. I don't know. Maybe he's... And what else should we look for?
Expression.
Read with expression. True. What else? Anybody else know something that we talked about? For fluency? Look at the...
Look at the pictures.
Look
Look at the title.
Look at the picture.
Punctuation, my friends. All right. So our puppet show is done for today.